What if your lock screen could show news, music, and YouTube update at a glance? On Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, now Brief isn't just for productivity or alert. You can also turn it into a quick entertainment hub, so you don't have to open multiple apps just to check what's new. Here's how to customize it for entertainment. To do so, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Tap Galaxy AI, scroll down the screen, tap Now Brief, tap Content to include. Now focus on entertainment-related content. Turn on News to see headlines when there's something new. Enable music and podcasts, so now Brief can surface what you have been listening to recently. And turn on YouTube to get updates related to your activity, subscription, or trending content from YouTube. You can leave other categories off if you want Now Brief to stay focused only on entertainment. Now, when you lock your phone, you will see the update of the selected categories at a glance without digging through apps. If you like staying updated without distraction, this setup is perfect. Quick news, music, and YouTube update all in one place right on your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.